Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your account ready. Sign into DTI and enable two-factor authentication so nothing blocks trades. Next, confirm you have the required credits or tokens. Once done, top up if needed. Open the Sticker Hub immediately and apply filters for rarity, type, and region. This narrows results fast. You should also clear inventory search caches. These actions save time and prevent mistaken purchases because DTI hides low-stock items unless your filters match precisely. You now focus on active search techniques. Use the map search and live spawn timers to pinpoint current sticker drops. This is why timing matters. Then, monitor hourly markets and set price alerts so you jump on underpriced listings. Make use of trade chat and trusted sellers to find rare pieces faster. Also, run the missions or events that list sticker rewards. These are reliable sources. By combining map awareness, market alerts, and mission farming, you dramatically increase your hit rate. You finish by claiming and equipping the sticker, open inventory, confirm the transaction, and verify ownership tags so the item is secure. Next, attach it through the customization menu, save your loadout, and test it in-game to confirm appearance. If the sticker does not appear, first check pending trades and your transaction history. Sometimes items are delayed. If that fails, contact DTI support with trade ID and screenshots. This single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.